Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Smash that subscribe button because what you're about to see in this video is not another random AI roundup, it's the clearest look at how work, creativity, and productivity are about to transform right under your nose. And trust me, when you see what this new AI workspace actually does, you'll wonder how you ever got anything done before. You're going to learn how a 30-person startup hit a $1 billion valuation in 6 months, why major investors threw over $100 million at it, and more importantly, how this tool stitches together multiple AI models to literally finish your work for you. Slides, websites, brand kits, emails, even phone calls handled by an autonomous agent with transcripts landing in your inbox. If that sounds wild, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll understand the workflow shift every creator, founder, designer, marketer, and developer needs to see before their competition does. Let's dive. Section 1, the big picture. One workspace to rule them all hook. What if all your AI tools stopped living in separate tabs and finally learned to work together? Today we're breaking down GenSpark, a brand new all-in-one AI workspace built around one core idea. Stop juggling a dozen AI tools and start finishing full deliverables in one place. No more switching between Chat, Claude, Gemini, design apps, slide tools, project dashboards, and random extensions. The magic behind GenSpark is its multi-agent parallel model flow. When you give it a prompt, even a messy one, multiple models run at the same time. Auto-reflect on the outputs, pick the best direction, and then execute. It's not give me ideas, it's finish the thing. This is why investors like LG Technology Ventures and SBI Investment bet big. It's not hype, it's a genuine workflow shift. SECTIO enter AI inbox, where chaos turns into clarity hook. What if your inbox didn't drain your time, but actually did the work for you? AI Inbox is the first big feature. It digs through your messy email pile and gets the boring parts out of the way instantly. Threads are summarized, replies are drafted in your tone, and long exchanges can be transformed into slides when you need a quick presentation, instead of another paragraph explaining decisions. Natural language voice control lets you guide everything hands-free, and scheduled agents can run automatically, scanning new threads, compiling updates, reminding you of deadlines, and generating drafts before you even open your laptop. The secret power move? Inbox connects directly into slides, docs, and Teams without exports. That means when your day explodes, this system keeps the ball moving while you catch your breath. SECTION3, Teams, Collaboration Reinvented hook. Imagine Google Docs, Figma, Notion, and Chat fused into one intelligent workspace. Teams is where everything clicks for actual businesses. Shared projects live in one place with real-time co-editing across slides, docs, sheets, designs, even video timelines. But here's the twist. The AI assistant doesn't sit next to the project. It lives inside it. Drop a brief on slide 6, and the model instantly updates slide 7 in context. Adjust a layout, and the agent rewrites the copy to match. Permissions, versioning, presence, all standard. But here, the AI doesn't just suggest, it acts. That's a massive shift from passive chatbots to active collaborators. SECTION for AI slides, from ugly PDFs to beautiful decks hook. What if your next slide deck took minutes, not hours? Upload a PDF, a Word doc, a messy outline, or even a screenshot, and AI Slides drafts a structured deck using more than 100 clean templates. It nails section flow, applies consistent typography, places visuals intelligently, and generates first-pass charts that actually look designed. Import PPTX. Export back to PPTX or Google Slides, no vendor lock-in. And when you want to change, highlight an area, describe the fix, and the model implements it instantly. There's even a built-in fact-check pass so client decks don't ship with hallucinated data, because nothing burns trust faster. Section 5, AI. Developer, from idea to working build hook. What if you could build a website or app by just describing it? AI developer handles the no-code build process. Say what you want. Make me as landing page, clone this layout. Make a dashboard for my daily metrics. The agent analyzes structure, spacing, navigation, color rhythm, and creates a working build. Upload images or screenshots to anchor the aesthetic. The result? Landing pages, internal dashboards, prototypes, all produced with almost no manual work. It's faster than code copilots because the agent handles layout, spacing, and styling automatically. Section 6 AI Designer. Brand kits from a single reference hook. What if a full visual identity took hours, not weeks? Drop a reference image or a sentence and AI Designer generates brand kits, logos, posters, packaging, illustrations, social assets, even photoreal product renders. It offers multiple directions upfront, the right way to handle creative work, and you refine your favorite version on the canvas with guided text. Edits. It's not magic taste, it's rapid iteration powered by your references. Section 7 Specialized Agents, real-world tasks on Autopilot hook. What if AI didn't just generate content, but actually did things for you? GenSpark ships a lineup of autonomous agents. Call form makes calls, declares itself as your AI assistant, captures transcripts and emails summaries. Download form, bulk file collection from scattered sources. iPod generates podcast-style serialized content on Autopilot. AI image plus video. Switch between top engines for different styles and fidelity. These aren't cute demos. They're real-world assistants that remove entire task categories from your plate. Section 8 Super Agents, automating work that repeats hook. What if one prompt could create a fully reusable autonomous worker? Asterisk. The Super Agent Builder lets you design custom agents that follow routines, weekly reports, daily stock briefs, research digests, content generators, anything. It chooses the models, tools, cadence, and workflow automatically. Mention the agent by name. It runs. Publish it to the store. Others can run it too. This is how teams stop rebuilding the same workflow every Monday. Section 9 Pricing and why it matters. What if one subscription replaced all your AI tools permanently? For $19.99 a month, you get access to every model, GPT, Claude, Gemini, Vo for video, Nano Banana for images, all inside one workspace. No more paying for 5 overlapping subscriptions. Launched November 20th in San Francisco. Backed by $200 million, valued at $1 billion, already expanding into Singapore and Japan. And whether you're a solo creator or a full team, the time savings are instant. So what do you think? Is this the future of how we'll actually work with AI, not bouncing between tabs, but building everything in one place with agents that don't just suggest, but execute? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe because next video we're breaking down how to build your own super agent and deploy it across your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.